Guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be, yes, you guessed it, another unboxing of some hair. This time is going to be a huge order I got for Black Friday from Peerless hair extensions. I wish I had the pretty box that's like on here to show you guys, but I didn't get anything in the box. I was kind of bummed, but I was like, you know what, whatever. It's a big order, so if she would have put like all this stuff in like multiple boxes, it would have been a bit, you know, harder to ship. But nevertheless, I am here to show you guys what I got. So they had like this huge, incredible sale. So I got 3 different textures. I got the natural curly, I got the Deepwave, and I also got the Wavy. And I got all of them in bundle deals. So we're just gonna go over my order, as well as I bought some closures to match. I got 4 closures and those 3 textures that I mentioned. They do have a new texture here called the Cambodian Wavy, but I only bought the Cambodian Wavy closure. I didn't get those bundles as yet, but I bought a Cambodian Wavy closure, a natural curly closure, a deep wave closure, and a natural wave closure to go with my natural wavy bundles. However, I only received 3 out of the 4 closures that I ordered, but I have messaged the owner, so I'm just waiting on her to respond to me so she can rectify the situation. The first bundles that I'm going to show you guys, this is, I think, the Wavy. I'm really not sure because they weren't really labeled the best. Like, some of them came in pouches, some of them just came in the regular PVC plastic. Some had stickers on the plastic, some had cards in the satin baggies, but you know, it really could have, you know, been better in labeling, just so I know what is what. Like, I wish they had like cards attached to them or something, because those cards could fall out of these baggies and then those stickers could always like fall off of the PVC bag. So yeah, I really wish they had done a better job at packing it so I can know what is what, because certain textures look kind of alike, you know. But these bundles, my Wavy bundles, came in this satin baggie, the satin black baggie. And let's go through it. So for my Wavy bundles, I got 18, 20, and 22 in Indian natural wave. So we're just gonna take one out. I'm gonna have to guess which lengths these are because, like I said, I don't know. So I think this is the 18 because I have another bundle that looks like it's longer. The hair looks very beautiful. I am getting some tension in the hair. Nothing really to talk about, but this hair is super duper soft. And look at it. The ends look very healthy. I like that. Oh, and this hair smells amazing. Like, it smells very fresh, very clean. It smells very pretty. It smells almost like perfume. This hair is so soft, you guys. Like, so soft. I can't wait to put this in my hair. It's very silky. I'm not getting any shedding so far, just a little bit of tension from the bundle, from it being packed for so long. And this is the amount of hair that you get in this bundle right here. So it's not bad. It's not bad. A good amount. And this hair is very full. Like, this one bundle alone is very, very full. So I think these 3 bundles are going to be more than enough. So next, I think this is my 22-inch bundle. This is it here. Yeah, this looks like the wavy texture. I really hope I'm not mixing these textures up, guys, because that would be a bummer. But same thing, little bit of tension in the hair, but the hair is super duper soft. Not getting, okay, I got a few strands from the ends. A few strands here. I don't know if you guys can see that. But I got a couple strands there. Nothing to talk about really. But this hair looks amazing. Ends look healthy. Got 2 more strands. But the ends look pretty healthy for the most part. The bundle is a little bit smaller for this length, but you still get a good amount. I feel like it's still a fair amount. Child, can't talk to me when I get this in, honey. So I'm just going to compare the 22 and the 18. The 22 actually looks a lot more wavier. This is the 22 here than the 18 inch. This is the amount of hair that you get in all the bundles. So this is definitely going to be a lovely, nice, full install. And some of the bundles are really brown. Some is like a natural off black. So I like that as well. When it hits the sun, it's going to be beautiful, okay? So now this is the wavy closure, the 18 inch wavy, the 14 inch wavy closure, sorry. Hair feels beautiful, absolutely. Super duper soft. This is a 4x4 closure, I believe. And as you can see, the density in the closure is very, very natural. It has some baby hairs in the front, right in the front here. It has the baby hairs sectioned out already. And it's a very nice, natural, very nice and natural density. You can part it and easily see like the scalp, or where the scalp is supposed to be. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. So next we have the deep wavy hair, and in this I got a 14 inch deep wave closure and a 16, 18, and 20 inch bundles. This is my 16 inch. I haven't played with any of these yet. So this is going to be my first time seeing it out of the package as well. So we take it out, and this is how it looks. Very light tension, not much at all. Very beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. No shedding. Very nice. What I noticed, it looks like this 16 inch bundle for the deep wave, it has a little bit, it looks a little bit less, or maybe because they raveled it like so wide, but it looks a little bit less than the wavy. I don't know, it may be just the way they wrapped it that I feel that, but this still is a very nice full bundle of hair. Like this pattern is so pretty. Look at it, so much body. Next up we have the 18 inch bundle, and this is it right here. A little bit of tension at the root, but coming down, nothing, not getting any shedding, and the hair insanely soft, I'm telling you. Beautiful, absolutely freaking gorgeous. And the 18 inch has a little bit less, most definitely a little bit less, but the hair is still super duper full and pretty. Like, look at that. I can imagine me whipping that like, hey, stiff weir. Okay, let me put these together. So that's the 16, the 18. And now this is the 20 inch deep wavy. And this is it here. Even more beautiful than the shorter lengths, in my opinion. These are the bundles all together. I do think the wavy hair was thicker, like in bundle size. Yeah, it feels, yeah, but this hair itself, like this texture itself, feels a little bit thicker than the actual wavy, but probably because it's curlier, so it's going to feel a little fuller. But yeah, definitely still a full install right here. So now let's look at the closure. Let's see what's popping here. And this is the 14-inch deep wavy closure. This is how it looks. Same thing as the wavy closure, just in a different curl pattern. Now with this deep wavy closure, it looks like a different curl pattern than the wavy bundles, because it's very straight at top, and you see the curl doesn't start till down here. So this was clearly processed to be this curl, and you could kind of tell because it doesn't really match all that much, but we'll make do. But yeah, I don't like how the curl starts all the way down here. Like, I like it when it starts at the root. Same baby hair situation in the front, same density. You part it, you'll be able to see inside of it. Hair is super duper soft. So yeah, just that one little quirk. And for the last set of bundles, these are my natural curly bundles. So for the natural curly, I got the lengths 14, 16, and 18. So let's see if we can decipher what these ones are. This is probably the 14 in the natural curly. My hands are flowing right through it. However, I'm getting like 1 or 2 strands on my hand. But these curls are beautiful. Like, you could imagine when I co-wash this over again and add some like pop-in curl cream to this. This is going to be, oh, this is going to be to die for. And I like how it has like a little bit of coarseness to it. I'm loving that. It's so soft, yet it looks like it has some coarseness to it, and I'm here for that. I love coarse, raw, curly hair. I love it, I love it, I love it. So this may be the 18-inch bundle, but I'm not sure. These curls, this one looks to me like it's a little bit curlier than the shorter bundle. So a few strands there, came out. But wow, this hair is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This is the amount you get in a bundle. But oh my god, do you guys see this? The ends look just a little bit, you know, wild, but that's because I'm playing in it. But I'm sure once I condition it, they'll be fine. But woo, child. So these are the 2 bundles so far. Yeah, I think this might be the 14 and the 16, because they look very, very close in length. So we're gonna hold these ones up, and I think this is going to be like the fullest install, because look at these massive bundles. Well, of course, because they're like shorter lengths, but look at these, and the hair is like, god, this hair is giant. That's a lot of hair. That is a whole lot of hair. So yeah, like I said, one of my closures are missing, the natural curly, but I'm just going to show you guys the new Cambodian wavy hair, and this is the Cambodian wavy closure. This is also a 4x4. It also does have the baby hairs in front like the rest of them, and this is how the pattern looks fresh out of the pack. It's kind of more like, looks like curly more than wavy to me, but you know, who am I to say? But this hair is pretty. This pattern is very pretty. Really like it. I'm getting shedding, okay? It's like, you know, a little small ball of shedding here. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, that's the most shedding that I've got all since I've started this video. But yeah, the closure, yeah, it's pretty small compared to, like, looking at it compared to the other closures. This one looks smaller, and it has like kind of a part already sectioned in the middle, but you can still part it anywhere. You just gotta mold it a little bit. This is a little bit more dense than the other closures, but I don't mind. It still has a nice natural density, especially like at the hairline, if you guys can see. Yeah. And it's not in like a square format. Like it seems like they ventilated it to be pretty natural. So I really like that. So I'm probably going to use that with some other hair that I have bundles for, but I didn't get a closure for. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I think I showed you guys everything. Looks so. Yeah, everything except my natural curly closure, which I'm hoping that I could get soon. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked the video and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll leave all the information for this company and these hair textures down below. So yeah, until my next video, I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.